Okay, so I'm gonna start. Here we go. Eggs, bacon, grits, sausage. That's really not appropriate. Yes, you're cute. I'm just gonna start.
He wants to leave.
Yes, why do you want to leave me? You love me. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Celeste. That wasn't very enthusiastic. No, I hate how I clap like. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Celeste. If you did not know that, Sierra is writing in the background if you can hear that.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so today I wanted to do a what's in like my book bag type thing for college, and then I kind of wanted to give some tips for what I do for college stuff and textbooks and all that other scam stuff that they make us go through. So first things first, I'm the realist. I'm only kidding. Okay, so this is my book bag. So this is from Crozer. I got it on Amazon for $27. I liked all the storage that it has inside, and it's waterproof, and it also has like a little strap if you want to put it on a suitcase. There's more storage like in the front, and there's a pouch in the front that has little slots. I just wanted a plain backpack to just go with every outfit. And oh, it also has 2 cup holders, which my last book bag did not have, so now I can have like my water bottle and like my umbrella, which is very important when you're walking across campus. Another thing that I liked about this bag was the portable, it's not like a charger thing, but it's so that you can charge your phone or whatever. So I'm gonna plug this part into like my laptop when it's in here, so then you can just plug in the wire for your phone right in here, and it charges your phone. Another reason why I really like this bag is because for $2 more it came with a makeup bag, and I like the monochrome black for Crozer. Oh my god, it's already dirty. Then inside right now I have the Yobi highlighters. I got that pack. I actually had these for a year now. There's more in here. I'm not going to buy new ones until these ones are completely gone. So the fact that these have lasted me for a year and I highlight a lot of things is pretty cool. Other stuff that I have in here is whiteout, which is also very important for note-taking, but probably everyone knows that from high school. I have my adapter in here, which I don't need anymore. Staplers are very important, and I saw the thing on Twitter that if you open the bottom, you hold staples at the bottom. Did anyone else know that? Because I didn't. Did you know that? No. You learn things on Twitter every day. Twitter University, thank you. Okay, so yes, for a lot of papers that you will be writing, staplers are key, and I like the little tiny ones so I can put it in my book bag and take it on the go. The next things that are in here are my favorite pens. I got these last year as well, and they were expensive, so I'm not throwing them out. Okay, so then I have mechanical pencils from last year, because you never have enough, and people are always asking for pencils in the first week. Syllabus week, During syllabus week, watch like 5 people ask you for pencils. I also have these pencils from last year as well, and these are my favorite mechanical pencils. And I have a big block eraser as well, because these are very important. I'm always making mistakes, and the little erasers are just like never enough. So that's everything that it's in my, this is gonna be my everyday pencil box. Another reason why I like different colored pens is because for different days I like to use different colors, so that I know when it's, oh look, here's 2 more. Different days I use different colors, so I know when it stops and starts. Next thing is index cards. I usually don't use index cards. I use Quizlet. Sometimes during midterms or finals, they will let you have like 1 index card, and you can write front and back, and you can write as many notes as you possibly can. It's like your little cheat sheet. Wait, I want to show you an example. These are from my finance final, but like look how tiny I would write. And I'm keeping these for my future finance classes. Another thing I recommend, you're gonna want to keep like your notes, especially for your major, because it is gonna come up again. And it's just gonna be nice to already have those notes and you can just look back. Okay, since we were already in the topic of pens, I got these pens. I also got them a pack for my sister. These were only $10 for 30 colors, and the case, like I think the case is so nice. I'm gonna rip off the sticker and then just have it like this on my desk. These from Walmart. They're the Walmart brand Pen and Gear. I have a lot of stuff from Pen and Gear. What should I talk about next? So I have this elf bag, which is so random, but it's like the pencils. I have extra staples. I have like the cheaper pens, so if someone borrows or asks to borrow a pen, I give them one of these because if they lose it, I don't care.
I'm gonna do that. That is so smart.
You're welcome. College tips. No, I'm kidding. I also just have like other. Oh, here's my dad's flashlight because you know I have to have one of these at all times. I also have wooden pencils. These ones are more for decoration. I got them for $1 at Target, but they're just so cute. It's like I have a separate pouch for people can borrow, and that pouch is for my stuff only. That's another note. Separate pouches. So speaking of wooden pencils, I also have a pencil sharpener. I forgot how much this was, but Target brand, the Up and Up, and the color is cute. How I was talking about note-taking, post-it notes, I kind of collect them, are very important. This one is my favorite. It's like this purple, and then, this one. So
That's
pretty.
Kyra's note.
Oh yeah, hi Kyra. Also, the color changing again because I don't have box lights and the sun keeps going in and out. I've never actually like used these before. A girlfriend of mine in class like always used these to mark things in like her books and stuff. And I was like, why have I really never thought that? So I got these at Walmart, the Poster brand. They come with 5 different colors. The next thing is my agenda. I like to be organized. I have an agenda, I have a calendar, and then on my whiteboard, like I'll write very important things because you just cannot forget anything in school. I just really liked the color. I went to Walmart and Target, and I wasn't really a fan of any of the planners this year. Like, they were just not my favorite, and I just thought this one's cute. It says make it happen, and I like the purple flowers. And the inside's really cute, too. And I don't like the planners that are more books. Like, I like the spiral ones. But
She needs help with groceries.
I am back. We had to help my mom with her groceries.
Yeah, because you're freaking.
But this is what like the inside looks like for when you write the note. I just like how simple it is because there was one that I thought was cute, but there was just so much stuff happening. The next thing I have is also from Pen and Gear. I got these one subject notebooks for 97 cents. And it's a cute color. I also got this one. And then I also have this folder. It's also from Pen and Gear. I think this was like 50 cents. It's a really cheap feeling folder. I like to keep the single folders for like assignments that I need to keep in my bag at all times and stuff that's just gonna be like due during the week or like important notices that I need to keep organized. Continuing on with Pippa, I have this big chunk of 400 sheets of loose leaf paper. It's college rolled, obviously. Okay, so just let him in. Kia's supposed to come in, of course. He can come in, little cutie booty. Hi, gorgeous.
I want to say hi.
Okay, so going back into folders. I like accordion folders a lot. This is one that I would keep in my book bag. And then I have a bigger one that's kind of breaking. This is the one I keep under my desk, and this is like all the work that I kept for the past 2 years. So the next thing is another Pen and Gear. I got these markers. There's 8 of them, but 16 different colors. Another little thing is transparent tape. This is also Pen and Gear. I have this little tape holder. Oh, I thought this was running out of tape. That's why I got it. Next thing is this ruler that is also from Walmart. So then going into what we just bought at Staples literally today. First thing are these binder dividers. Sierra and I are actually going to split them. I hope I get the purple one. I want the purple one or the clear one. But I really want the purple one. Are these dividers. They had some expensive dividers at Staples. This was $1.99. They had some that went up to like $7. Like, what? The next thing is... Oh, one more thing from Target, I think. These mechanical pencils. I know I already showed, but these are, Sierra got these for her, but I'm still going to take some. We've gotten these every single year. I think I did a stationery haul or go back to school video about 3 years ago. The Sharpie highlighters. Sometimes I like to have like the Yobi ones, like they're cool and all because of the colors, but they're so small that they're like uncomfortable in the hand sometimes. So I got like the bigger ones. The Disappearing Purple glue sticks. You might not think you need it. Okay, so Sierra has to get watercolors for her. Sierra's gonna pull up to her school with this big 36 color one that literally, she thinks it looks like an eyeshadow palette.
Like the James Shaw.
Like, look how pretty the colors are. So we go to Staples because these last for a very, very long time. I have a blue one and a white one, the same exact one, the 1.5 inch. They're downstairs. They're from literally 2 years ago, I think, and I still have them. So I got this pink one, because I love pink. This purple one, which is so pretty. This teal, light blue one. Like, look how pretty these are together. Oh my god, they look like everything else I own. I know. They're so freaking pretty. So I don't like pop sockets. I don't like how expensive they are, and I don't like how it's permanent to one phone case. So I got this little suction cup of a little pig. It's white. And I named it Marshmallow. Sierra got one too. She got a purple one. Can you name yours Grape? Grape and Marshmallow? Okay, so the next thing are calculators. This one is a scientific calculator, which I use in accounting. And then I had to get a financial calculator for my finance class.
Ring light. Oh, there we go. Perfect.
Huh? The next thing is my laptop, because you're obviously going to need a laptop at all times in your book bag.
When'd you get AirPods?
Oh my god, these AirPods? Okay, so I usually had the old the old headphones. I always have them. I always have a pair of headphones in my book bag because walking across campus is so boring. So that is it for my what's in my book bag. Oh, I wanted to do some. Do not buy any books unless they're custom from your school in the school's bookstore. Do not do that. Try to find all the books on a place called Chegg.com. It is where I have found every single one of my textbooks except for the FDU custom ones, or even try Amazon. But the bookstore is just trying to make a profit, and they'll put an extra $100 on there for no reason. Another thing, on the syllabus, when it comes out in a few weeks, it's going to have all these books on there. Or if you go on your bookstore website, I'm talking so fast, do not buy the books until like 2 weeks into school. Like, it's a scam. Like, they're really just trying to make you lose all your money so you could be poor. Alright, so if you guys made it this far to my video, thank you so much. Please subscribe. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.